National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Adams, Cumberland, and Franklin, effective until tomorrow at 1:08 a.m. The National Weather Service and State College has issued a flash flood warning for Western Adams County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Waynesboro, Shippensburg, Guilford, Carroll Valley, Fayetteville, Wayne Heights, Montalto, Scotland, Rouserville, Cashtown, Vertanock, Walnut Bottom, Aaronsville, Fairfield, McKnightstown, Newburgh, Quincy, Penn State, Montalto, Shippensburg University, and Liberty Mountain Resort. Precautionary/preparedness actions: turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. In hilly terrain, low water cross.
2-minute cutoff.